So this is a special episode. I'm not going to label what it is, but today's Pi Day. So, being the friggin' scientist that I am, I'm an actual physicist, by the way. So we're going to look at what pi is, not pizza pie or like pie that you eat, but the irrational number pi. So today's 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and there's the actual digits of pi. Well, for the first few anyways. It goes on and on and on, and you can actually look up stuff like your birthday in pi, which is pretty amazing. And here's my Arnold Classic shirt, by the way. So, anyways, check this out. Paper. So now let's look and see what pi actually is. So, pi is this. Currently, I might get a little different in the future. So it's 3.1415. Now, what exactly is this? So pi is related to circles, right? That's a pretty good circle, I suppose. Now a circle has a few things associated with, right? So we have a diameter, right? So there's the center of that one. And then we have something that's the circumference. So now what pi is actually the ratio of the circumference to the diameter. And this is going to equal, let's say, what do we have up there? 3.1415. It's kind of hard filming and doing this at the same time. Oh, that's so incorrect. It's ridiculous. 3.1415. There we go. So now let's look at the other characteristics of a circle. So we have this here can actually be the radius as well. So now we can write a thing that's the radius is 2r, right? Or, you know, vice versa. It could be the radius is half the diameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an experiment to try to get this number, right? So here we go. This experiment at home. You can do this. You know, I did it a couple times to try to get it as close as again. I got 98% of pi, which is pretty good. What I did was I made this little string thing, and I have this strip of paper to like measure part of the circle, and I have a push pin and the clipboard along with just the pen. So let me set it up and I'll show you. Hanging on here. Now let's look. I got a hole in this clipboard there, so I'll do like that. And I gotta find whatever. I don't care. I'm gonna jam it in. I'm just gonna jam it right in. I don't care about anything. So now we're in, right? It's up. So I'm gonna give it some tension. Just go around in a circle. Oh goodness gracious! I suck. There we go. Perfect circle, right? That's nice. So now I might need an assistant. Caroline! Yes! I need help!
Why do you put my pants down?
Oh God, Jesus Christ.
I mean, not the one I'm wearing.
Y'all, she's just sewing stuff. I'm going to show you guys.
Well, I'm trying to.
These ladies in here, there's 2 women in this house, and they're sewing. They're sewing demons. She's just drinking soda.
Let me be your,
So we're filming. Now hold this. Alright, so I went through a lot of stuff just now. My camera person, Caroline.
It's my fault. My fault.
Screwing up. But anyhow, so I'm going to do it over again.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, so I will mark these values not right. So it's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an experiment. All I did was drew a line here, a line there to get kind of where the center is. It's not the greatest thing of all, but you know what is. So what I do is I'm going to place this piece of paper. It's got a little tape on it. And I'm going to put it over here, right? So I did the experiment. You can see the line there before, and there's this other line that doesn't make sense. So tape it.
Ignore that line.
Yeah, so I'm going to measure. I'm stuck. I'm sticking.
It's a little humid in here. I will say.
It's humid.
It's a little humid.
So it's about 12 millimeters. So 1/4 is 12 millimeters. Right, 12 millimeters. So that's times 4. That equals 48 millimeters.
That's how a lefty writes, y'all.
That's how a lefty writes. All right,
what
so
it looks
now
like.
we need to measure the radius. So here, you should get a full body
Yeah,
shot,
okay,
by
let me
the way.
let me see the footwork. Good.
Don't freaking
And
film like that. You
how
need
you
to film
be
it because it's gonna screw it up. Oh.
But you're getting I can't see your whole body. You gotta go way far back. Way far back. A little bit. I mean, you're headless.
Like, I mean, seriously, like, I can't deal with this.
Here, all right. You know what? Let me do this. Walking back. Don't hurt yourself. And all right, that's perfect.
Okay. So back to science and math. So, okay, damn it. All right, so this is Pi Day. This is for Pi Day. So I'm gonna measure from the center.
Camera pins.
I'm gonna camera pins, pins and slow. All right, slow and steady. So this is about 7.5 millimeters. So 7.5 millimeters. I'm gonna write right-handed just to show
Just because.
fools what's up. So, all right. So, anyways, and this equals R. This is terrible. So that equals R. Yeah, you're doing a great job.
Thanks.
So
I'm so nervous.
now,
I'm shaky. I'm nervous.
so diameter equals 2R, and that equals 2 times. Fuck this. Oops. Screw this. I mean.
Bleep.
7.5 millimeters. So that is what? What is 2? 7.5.
Purple because aliens don't wear hats.
15, right? Something like that. I don't know. All right.
To math. I'm an English teacher.
Math.
We can do it.
Okay, so now let's go back to our equation. We'll do it in the circle. C over D equals pi. Okay? So now we have C. That's 48 millimeters over 15 millimeters equals pi. Pi is unitless, so millimeters cancel out. 48 divided by 15 equals... Cut it off. Just press the stop. Okay, so
we'll finish up
I calculated it off camera.
Dinner. What?
And this is 3.2.
This is off camera.
So, no, this is fine. So, that's our answer. That's not so bad. Here, hold that.
3.2.
So, you're doing great,
Thank you,
Vanna. So,
Vanna Vanek.
okay, so back it up a little bit. So, what I'm going to do is find out our experimental error. So, we have 3.1415 is what I'm saying pi is. I'm just using this because it's the date, okay? So, we will cut it down to 3.1415. I believe this is how you do it. 3 divided by 2, and we'll see what that percentage is. All right, so...
Do we get to use a calculator now?
Yeah, I'm going to use a calculator on my phone. Stop it for a second so I can use it.
Say please.
I don't care.
Please? All right, I think we should do over. Hold on. What would the measurement be?
So, I'm not answering that, is what I'm going to do. Wait, it's already recording, I think.
Correct.
Okay, so yeah. All right, now I did this calculation, so it's 0.9817. So if we multiply this thing by 100, we're going to get 98.17% accurate. And that's a pretty freaking good experiment.
You should do my taxes.
I'm not doing your taxes, but today's Pi Day, and this is Denny Does Stuff.
Peace.
Done.